Skanking has now got issues with his car. He can't
seem to close the bonnet.
Can't seem to close the bonnet. He's gonna leave, but he doesn't want to drive all the way home with the car, with the bonnet which doesn't shut, and he's just got bird shit on his hands, so Jag is gonna go over and save the day. Jag's half German, so he'll fix it. He's efficient.
Just fucking take it off and just go wham!
Yeah, that's what I fucking do, man. Just wham the motherfucker shut. Look, they're getting all sensitive now, and this is the top of the bonnet, and these are the wires, and this is called A plus B size.
Like tape? Strong tape?
Tape.
Duct tape.
Duck or electrical?
Duct tape's good.
I've probably got electrical. Duct tape. I just have to make do with that, eh? Hey, look, everything can be fixed by tape.
Make a nice.
Oh, fail. Oh, man. No. What, is it just to hold it on so you can lock it?
Yeah. Just so the bonnet will shut properly.
That's if it sticks on this stuff.
Oh, we were over there thinking there wasn't that much bad going wrong, but there's like...
Is it going to stick?
No, I think you should make a piece of rope and
Hey,
just put it through.
Everything that can't be sold with tape can be sold with blue tack.
Blue tack will work a lot better, yeah. But then it's going to start melting and start dripping everywhere.
Oh yeah, fucking, that's not good.
Well, as long as we shut it, like stick it long enough for it to
bolt
shut.
Here, look. There to there, yeah? Where's that screw? Why don't you just tighten that one up really tight and then it'll stop moving?
Have you got a screwdriver?
Oh. Attempt number 2. If tape doesn't work, a screwdriver will. Yeah, you break it off. Screwdriver. That's anti-clockwise.
Yeah. Just turn it, it's not.
No. I got a better idea. Here, look. Here,
That's because it's all...
hold this. Whatever. Okay. More tape. Wiggle it around, slam it down. Get close and personal with it. I got an idea. Attempt number 3. Go into the back garden. Pick up the thing which you've been walking past for months.
Better.
Method number 3. Listen to him scream as he goes down the motorway and he hears a metal plate come off in his engine. You should
It's where it's rusted, it's not actually...
Well, he's got a screwdriver, that might help you.
Might.
Does somebody want to catch it? And the screw perhaps. Hands. Which side's the tow bar on?
Don't you have a big bolt?
The rounded. I think I hate it.
I'm just going to see it like...
That's scary as fuck.
Yeah.
That's not even attached.
No, I can't get that flap open.
Yeah.
That's strong enough.
Will be in a second.
It does it a lot less now.
Oh,
well,
there it is, yeah.
he's lying on it.
It is going to move slightly because with them, obviously, you can't.
Yeah.
That's why.